What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this beautifully specced BMW 745e at the studio for our Xpel Front End PPF package. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. We are currently running a 1000 subscriber giveaway, so if you are interested in winning a polishing starter kit, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section down below and you'll be entered to win it. Good luck, and let's get on with the video. Right then, as usual, before we even start to think about applying any PPF, we need to give the car a thorough clean outside the studio. This includes going around all of the edges to ensure that dirt or grime is not going to seep out any of the edges when we're applying the film. A typical decontamination usually consists of our NLD Car Care Citrus Pre-Wash, Iron Fallout Removal, pH Neutral Snow Foam, and then finally our Wash Shampoo. If you are interested in any of these products, they are all available at nldcc.co.uk. Now that the car's been decontaminated, let's put it inside the PPF bay and start removing any badges that we need to. Once that's been done, we will go over the car with a clay bar just to remove any finer bits of contamination before applying the PPF. Now that we are sure there are no contaminants on the paintwork that will show in the PPF, let's go ahead and start applying the Xpel film. If you wasn't aware, all of our PPF packages come with a 10-year warranty on the film, which is a major benefit to Xpel. Here you can see us weeding out the Xpel PPF once it's been cut on our in-house plotter using Xpel's brilliant DAP software. Thanks to the templating teams at Xpel, there is pretty much a pattern for every car out there, and if there isn't, they are usually more than happy to come out and template a car for you. With the bonnet and wings now done, the final part of our front end PPF package is the bumper. Let's go ahead and get that applied. As you can see, there is a few pieces of PPF which make up the bumper, so it's a little more time consuming than the other areas of the car. However, by the end of it, the entire front end will be protected with Xpel Ultimate Plus. With the front end PPF now installed, that's this lovely BMW 745e now finished at the studio. As you can see, it looks fantastic and you cannot even tell it has any paint protection film applied.
Right then guys, thanks for watching this week's video on the stunning BMW 745e. As you can see behind me, it's looking a lot better now after receiving our Xpel Front End PPF package. The colour's really popping a lot more than it was when it arrived with us. If you are interested in any of our services, don't hesitate to get in touch and we can talk you through the options available, and we'll catch you in next week's video.
Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and comment on this video to be entered in with a chance to win our 1000 subscriber giveaway.